Morning weight loss exercise. When it comes to losing weight, it's important to focus on a combination of regular exercise, a balanced diet, and a healthy lifestyle. While exercising in the morning can be beneficial for jump-starting your metabolism and energizing your day, it's essential to maintain consistency and consider a holistic approach. Here are 5 exercises you can incorporate into your morning routine to support your weight loss goals. First, stretching and flexibility exercises. Stretching helps improve your flexibility, enhances circulation, and reduces the risk of injuries. Incorporate dynamic stretches like leg swings, arm circles, or torso rotations to warm up your muscles. Finish with static stretches, holding each stretch for 20 to 30 seconds, targeting major muscle groups. Second, core exercises. Strengthening your core muscles helps improve stability and posture. Include exercises like crunches, bicycle crunches, Russian twists, or plank variations. Perform 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions for each exercise. Third, strength training. Building lean muscle mass helps boost your metabolism and burn more calories throughout the day. Incorporate bodyweight exercises like push-ups, squats, lunges, planks, or resistance band exercises. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions for each exercise. Fourth, high-intensity interval training. Workouts are effective for burning calories and increasing your metabolic rate. These exercises involve short bursts of intense activity, followed by brief recovery periods. You can perform exercises like burpees, squat jumps, mountain climbers, or high knees for 20 to 30 seconds, alternating with 10 to 15 seconds of rest. Repeat this cycle for a total of 10 to 15 minutes. Fifth, cardiovascular exercises. Engaging in aerobic activities helps burn calories and fat. Choose exercises that get your heart rate up, such as jogging, brisk walking, cycling, or jumping rope. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity cardio to start your day. Remember, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional or a certified fitness trainer before starting any new exercise routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or concerns. Additionally, combining these exercises with a well-balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle will maximize your weight loss efforts. If you want more video like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.